Have you ever wondered what powers a massive airplane through the skies? We're diving deep into the intricate mechanics of jet engines. Jet engines are marvels of engineering, relying on fundamental physics to generate the immense power needed for flight. But how do these powerful machines operate? The core principle is Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The engine throws mass backward at high speed, and the reaction pushes the aircraft forward. All jet engines operate on four main stages: intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust. Think of it as a continuous cycle of air processing. The journey begins at the front of the engine with the intake and compressor stages, the first steps in harnessing air power. The large fan at the front sucks in a massive amount of air. This air is slowed down and directed towards the compressor section. The compressor blades, arranged in multiple stages, squeeze the air, dramatically increasing its pressure. This prepares the air for the powerful reaction to come. Next is the combustion chamber, where the magic and the heat happens. This is the heart of the engine's power generation. In this stage, fuel is injected and mixed with the highly compressed air. This creates an extremely volatile mixture, ready to combust. A continuous ignition source sets the mixture alight, creating intensely hot, high-pressure, high-velocity gas. This heat and speed drive the rest of the process. The turbine stage is critical. It's where energy is captured to keep the entire cycle running. The high-velocity gas from combustion rushes over the turbine blades, causing them to spin rapidly, extracting vital kinetic energy. This captured energy is used to power the central shaft that connects back to the compressor and the large front fan, ensuring continuous air compression. Finally, we reach the exhaust or nozzle stage, where the aircraft's propulsion is realized. The remaining hot gas is accelerated as it passes through the nozzle, reaching peak velocity before exiting the engine. This high-speed expulsion of gas generates the massive forward thrust required to propel the aircraft through the air, completing the cycle. Some military jets use afterburners in the exhaust section to inject extra fuel, creating an even more powerful burst of thrust for supersonic flight or rapid acceleration. Understanding the principles behind the jet engine reveals the ingenuity of modern aviation technology. It's a precise balance of thermodynamics and fluid mechanics. To summarize, air is sucked in, squeezed by the compressor, a controlled explosion or bang occurs in the combustion chamber, and the resulting hot gas is blown out as thrust. Beyond commercial flight, jet engine technology is used in everything from high-speed military aircraft to power generation and even rocket propulsion systems.